Fenner have been manufacturing in Australia since 1890. We make uncured rubber for splice kits and conveyor products. At this facility, we have processed over 200,000 kilos of rubber compound. As a Michelin company, we're committed to an all-sustainable approach. Our challenge was to correctly identify our bonding layer in our product and effectively communicate that to our splicers on site. We needed to do that in a legible, neat, tidy manner that did not disrupt our manufacturing process. The IQJET helped us overcome that issue by clearly identifying which side is the bonder. It's also allowed us to introduce some branding onto the product. LEIBINGER has a 5-year maintenance-free term. This means less cleaning, less maintenance.
As an operator, I find the printer to be easy to use. Because of the printer's stop and start feature, it idles whenever not in use, reducing the cost and energy. The printer has a feature that it recycles the ink. It also reduces the solvent cost by 50%.
Because we are printing on rubber, it's quite a unique substance. We needed to make sure that the ink adhered to the rubber surface. So it's very important for us to select the right ink that is fit for purpose. LEIBINGER's range of ink shine through a range of colours, different compounds to make up those inks. Through that process, we were able to test a multitude of inks on different compounds of rubber that we have. LEIBINGER's support through that process was amazing. We were able to send our samples off to Germany and get some results turned around for us in 2 weeks. So we were able to make quick decisions on implementing this device. Result Group, as a LEIBINGER distributor, have been fantastic to deal with. We've got a great support staff that are very honest and open with their communication.
With any business that we work with, collaboration is key. We can't just walk into a facility like this and expect that we understand everything that's going on. We need to work with our customers to understand the idiosyncrasies of their products and their businesses to deliver the result that they're looking for. That's what we've been able to do here and in many other facilities across Australia and branching out into the Asia Pacific area as well.